seen a lot of ways to make money online through YouTube, but this is by far one of the easiest ways. Your work will literally come down to copying and pasting 30 to 60 second long videos and getting paid hundreds of dollars for each one, as I'll show you in this step-by-step tutorial. So whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been making money online for some time now, this will work for you, and you just have to stick around till the end of the video to find out how to set this up correctly. And with all of that said, guys, let's now jump straight into this tutorial. As I said in the intro, today I have a method through which you will be making money online with YouTube, or more specifically, through YouTube Shorts. Since there are so many platforms involved, I really want you guys to stick around so you know what to do. The first thing I want to show you is someone doing something similar to what you will be doing and making a lot of money online. This channel here is called Touropia, and it has 800,000 subscribers now. It's a decently popular channel that gets quite a bit of views on these videos, as you can see. The videos themselves are all top 5, top 10, top 20, and so on type videos. So you have 30 most beautiful cities in the world, 30 greatest man-made wonders in the world, and so on. Let me show you one video from the channel so you see how they're actually made. This video here is the most popular video of the channel, and it's called 25 Best Places to Visit in Europe. And if I play the video, you guys would see that there's nobody showing their face on camera whatsoever. The footage used in the video consists of royalty-free videos and images sometimes. So in essence, the entire video here consists of clips that the owner downloaded online for free and then compiled into a single video that's 25 minutes long. As simple as that. The only thing that the video has apart from those clips is a voiceover over top and some music in the background. Yet, despite the simplicity, this video has gotten nearly 9 million views. This goes to show you that people love these kinds of videos. They're simply put, popular, which is why I think you should create similar videos. Before we go on with this tutorial, it's noteworthy that you can actually create a YouTube channel like this and indeed get a decent number of views. The reason I think you should make shorts in the same way, though, is because these videos are all long. A short, however, is no longer than 60 seconds, so the amount of work you put into each video will be much smaller, and the shorts nevertheless have potential to go viral and get a lot of views, just like some of these videos have. If I go over to Social Blade, you'll be able to see that the previously shown channel is making a decent amount of money online. Anywhere from $1,000 all the way up to $23,000. This is a broad estimate. We can safely guess that the money per month is around $10,000, which is decent. On Social Blade, you can also see stats like the amount of views gained on a daily basis, and I wanted to show you this to reiterate my previous point that people love these types of videos. As you can see, on average, the channel gets nearly 200,000 views daily, which is just crazy, and it goes to show you how much potential there is to make money from these types of videos. With all of that said, let me now walk you through the entire process and show you how you can create similar videos and turn them into shorts. The very first step would be the video idea, so you need to think of what kind of video you want. For that purpose, I would recommend using this channel or similar channels to this one. Go see the most popular videos. Just as an example, this channel has uploaded a video about Italy a while back, and the video did really well, so I'll run with that example. Once you have the video idea, the next step is to go over to a website called Pexels.com. This is a place where you can download and use free of charge both images and videos, which makes it the perfect site for us. What you will do is simply type in what video you want in the search bar. In my case, I typed in Italy, as you can see, and I have a bunch of these beautiful looking photos and videos to use. Keep in mind that you don't need only videos in your short. You can add a few images that are zooming in or out as well. What you can also do if you want is to use photos alone as well. That would work too. That decision I'll leave up to you guys, since photos or videos will work pretty well no matter what. Either way, your goal now is to find videos or images that would be sufficient for a 60-second long short. When you find what you like, all you have to do is hover your mouse over it, click on this arrow right here, and then rinse and repeat until you have enough footage. And just like that, with no more than 10 minutes worth of work, you already have enough footage for your video. That just goes to show you why you want to focus on shorts in particular. They are simply much easier to make than your regular video. The next thing required from here is a voiceover. And here, I would recommend you all do the voice yourself. Reason being is that the video is a short, so you won't be talking for a long time. But if you still don't want to do it yourself, or worse yet, you don't have a microphone, then you can just use Upwork.com to find someone to do it for you. Now yes, this does require investment, but it's for 60 seconds, so you won't be investing a lot of money really, so it shouldn't impact you too much at all. That being said, if you don't want to invest any money and you don't want to do the voiceover, or you can't, you can simply have text written over the video that appears at certain portions. You don't have to have a 100% professional short when you're just starting off. You can start off small and go from there basically. Anyhow, with that done, now that you have the footage you will need to turn it into a short, the best way to do it by far is through the use of Canva.com. What this is, for those oblivious, is basically a designer's website. On here, you can come and design a bunch of stuff. Whether you want an Instagram post, Facebook post, Instagram story, maybe you want to design a website, you can do all of that with Canva, and most importantly of all, for absolutely free. So it's an awesome website for us to use. What you want to do when you come onto Canva is first sign up. You'll need to click on the sign up button, which should be located right over here. You will then need to log into your new account. And when you do that, your next step from here would be to click on video right here and then on mobile video. Doing so will now take you over to the editor. As you can see, I've already done some things to make this a bit easier to explain. What you will have to do first, guys, is open up the videos or photos from your PC. To do so, just click on Uploads here, then on Upload Media, and open them up. I've opened up 2 clips, as you can see, for simplicity's sake. To now compile them into a single short, what I need to do is first click on the first video here, and it will now be displayed, as you can see. And now to make this better looking, I need to just drag it like so until it fills the entire screen, so it doesn't have white bars at all around it. To add the second video, I just have to click on this plus icon here, and then select the second video. And as you can see, in basically a minute, I've turned 2 separate videos into a single video that's in the correct resolution and can be uploaded onto YouTube as a short. Do keep in mind, guys, that you should invest more time into this. If you didn't use a voiceover, you will add text through Canva by clicking on text here. And you also want to make sure your video is not longer than 60 seconds. If it is, then you can shorten it by clicking on it and then on these scissors up here. Just play around a bit with Canva and try to make the best video you possibly can. The next step from here, guys, would depend on whether or not you used a voiceover or went along with just the text. If you decided to use the text, then you can simply click on the download button here. Download this to your PC and then upload it onto YouTube as a short. But if you decided to use a voiceover, then you do need a video editor to combine the voice with the actual footage. What I would recommend using is a software called OpenShot. It's a free downloadable video editor that's perfect for you guys, since you don't need anything too sophisticated. I'll now show you in Sony Vegas just what you have to do. This is literally what you need to do. Just open your video you got from Canva and add the audio above or below it. It doesn't matter really. And just make sure the audio and the video are in sync. And if they are, just render the video and then upload it to YouTube. But here is the important part. Make sure it's in the correct resolution as a short, which is 1080 by 1920. With that done, just go ahead and upload it onto YouTube as a short, and you will rinse and repeat this process for as many videos as you can. And there's a huge chance you'll get a decent number of views after some time and start making money online by literally uploading 60-second long videos that aren't even your own to begin with.